hold on to that lane. So it looks like Stewart's going to be able to hold on to lane 1. Everybody's going to stay right where they were at the store up. So Stewart will be in 1, Sewell will be in 2. Taylor Barr will be in 3. And then Mike Henderson will be in 4. So 15 seconds from the start. Here are the speed skip second qualifier. Thunder on the Choptank, day number 2 is leader 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mark, oh, nice start. Billy and Jimmy were right on it together. Great start by the 991 and the 10, and they'll head down here to turn number 1. On lap number 105. Stewart on the inside and Sewell on the outside. Two are side by side for the lead. Jimmy going to try to use that inside and shorter way around to his advantage as we come up the end of turn number 1 here on lap number 1. We'll go 5 guys right here in the Skiff qualifier. This is Jimmy Stewart with the lead. Billy Sewell is right there. One boat lane separating first and second right now as they head down here to turn number 2. Jimmy Stewart in the Jazz Tank. Yelp and Jimmy is your leader. With little Billy Sewell right there on his outside. Those two boats look like one as they go through the apex of turn number 2 to come around and complete lap number 1. The Jazz 10, Yump and Yimmy. Out of Annapolis, Maryland, he is your leader with Peg Awancio, his riding mechanic. Look at Billy, his rolling right through that water wash right off the back of that JS10. Billy not scared to go right through it. That's what you gotta do. You gotta try to hold right to that white water line. So the JS10, Yump and Yimmy, your leader. You can see Billy is getting soaked running back there in second. Getting all that white wash off the back of that JS10, and now Billy has gone outside a little bit, and that's opened up the door. So you can see just that little bit of a bobble by Billy put him outside of that wake of the JS10. Now allow the JS10 to extend his lead. So we're 1.5 in, 3.5 to go. Not over yet, but Jimmy has now opened it up by 6 boat lengths. Sewell back in second, Mike Henderson in third, and Taylor Barr in fourth. Over the top end of the race course, all your leaders, Jimmy Stewart and the JS10, Yump and Yimmy. Over top, a little Billy Sewell back in second. And the 991 Bow for Boy will come around and complete lap number 2. There'll be 2 down. 3 to go here in the Jersey Speed Skiff qualifier. It's JS10, the Yump and Yimmy, and Jimmy Stewart and Peg Awancio. See if Billy decides to go over or stay out there in that blue water instead of getting mixed up in that white water. On the inside, Jimmy's doing a good job hugging the Billy line. Doesn't want to give any advantage if little Billy decides to go to the inside. Jimmy's just really hugging that Billy line, making Billy run that longer course. Third place, Mike Henderson. And the Skiff-tastic in fourth is Taylor Barr in the 719. So halfway through, Jersey Skiff second qualifier. And it's Jimmy Stewart and Peg Awancio on the JS10. Yump and Yimmy, your leaders, up to the top end of the race course. We'll call it still about a 7 boat length advantage. Little Billy Sewell back in second with Austin Hayes, his riding mechanic. The two just right on that white water line, and Jimmy Stewart will come around and complete lap number 3. 3 down and 2 to go, and the JS10, Yump and Yimmy is your leader. Jimmy used that inside lane to his advantage through turn number 1 on lap number 1. He's held on so far. 3 in, 2 to go. Billy still running back in second. Mike Henderson having a nice ride back in third in the 61. The Skiff-tastic. Mike comes from Gibbstown, New Jersey in that JS61. Skiff-tastic looks really nice here, running in third position. Fourth position, Taylor Barr. He's a rookie on the scene this year at JS719. So down the backstretch, we are 3.5 in and 1.5 to go. Jersey Speed Skiff second qualifier. And the JS10, Yump and Yimmy and Jimmy Stewart has the lead. We'll call it 8 boat lengths now. We're top of Billy Sewell back in second. Through turn number 2. White flag will be displayed on the race course. The JS10, Yump and Yimmy. They'll get the white flag just stop by so they find one more lap around. So 4 down, 1 to go. Jersey Speed Skiff second qualifier. The JS10, Yump and Yimmy. Be careful, don't do it again. JS10, Yump and Yimmy, this turn number 1. With about a 10 boat length advantage now over top of Billy Sewell. We'll move back to second. Billy's probably going to wrap it up here, just take the second place points and move on to the final. I think Billy's got to work on getting that inside lane away from Jimmy. And that final later on today. He was able to win on the outside of him yesterday. But it's tough unless everything works perfectly for you to win from lanes 2 and 3 in the Jersey Speed Skiff final. So through turn number 2, on lap number 5 of 5, it'll be checker flag this time by for the JS10. The Up and Yimmy will come across start finish line. He'll get the checker flag. And Jimmy Stewart and Greg Watson, they'll get the 100 points in the victory here in the second qualifier of the Jersey Speed Skiff. Your winner is the JS10 Up and Yimmy. Second place will go to the 991. Little Billy Fool and Austin Hayes. They'll get second in the JS 991, Bound for Glory. Third place will go to the 61, Mike Henderson, and Taylor Barr will round out the field in fourth. Up next, our first final of the day, 2.5 liter stock, Eastern Divisional Championship, winner take all final. That'll be our next heat coming up in just a minute. Stick around. You're looking at live coverage in the 2022 Thunder over Choptank on CBS Sports Radio.